Hello friends, this is Jake. Thank you for joining me on this video. In this video, I'll do a portfolio update. I'm on my way from 50k invested in the stock market to 100,000, and that's going to be my first milestone. So we'll do a portfolio update. Second, I'll summarize all the dividends that I got in the month of September. Also, I'll do a bonus video on the actual trades that I did for the first week of October, and in the end I'll summarize all the dividend and all the option money that I made in the year 2020. So let's get started, shall we? Historically, the month of September is not a good month for stock market in general, and that was repeated in the year 2020. So September 2nd, the market peaked, and then it was a big drop, and then it recovered a bit. So my portfolio kind of traced the same trajectory as the S&P index. So if you look here, September 2nd it peaked, so I almost got close to my ideal goal of hitting 100,000. I was just $10,000 short, and then it dropped all the way to $77,000. So almost a 13,000 drop from my peak, and then it recovered to the current value where it's sitting at 83,000. So as the portfolio stands right now, it's at $83,000, so $17,000 away from hitting my $100,000 mark. For the week, I'm up by 1.68%. For the month, still down by 8.44%. For 3 months, up by 8.19%. And for the year, up by 26.92%. And overall, 30.83% up. So the 2020 has been kind to me so far. So those who have been following my channel for a little bit would know that I dabble in everything in the stock market. So I do options trading, but then my portfolio is primarily a dividend portfolio. So the money I get from options, I use that money to buy dividend stocks. So I have quite the dividend portfolio, but since my account size is not that huge, the dividend that I get per month is not that high. On average, I get $100 in this portfolio. In total, for the month, I got $224 as dividend, and all this dividend got reinvested into the same funds because that's how I set it up. All said and done, the month of September was pretty good for me, given the fact that September is a bad month normally for stock. So for the whole month, I made $1,402.16 in options, and then I made $224 in dividends. So if you look, you'll see as a trend, the money that I get from both dividends and options are kind of increasing on average month over month. Of course, you'll see slight dips in certain months, but on average, it's on an uptrend. And then so for the whole year, I made $5,753.53 in options and $1,266.32 in dividend money. So far for the year, I made a grand total of $7,019.85. Not bad, right? So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the month of September. So that's all I had for today, folks. I covered a lot of topics. Please let me know if you have any questions. Since I don't have too many subscribers, I can answer all your questions if you have any questions in options trading. So until next video, hope you stay safe. Ciao.